Wondrous creatures of the seas, they capture imaginations with their grace and uniqueness. Belonging to the Syngnathidae family, these charming animals are known for their peculiar anatomy and fascinating behavior. Inhabitants of tropical and temperate coastal waters around the world, seahorses are masters of camouflage, often blending seamlessly with their marine environment. Their unique shape, with elongated heads and bodies covered in bony plates, makes them truly distinct among marine creatures. If you're enjoying the content so far, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel to not miss any of our upcoming videos. The seahorse, with its peculiar shape and vertical swim, may seem like an unusual fish. However, over 45 species inhabit coastal waters worldwide. Much knowledge has been gained about their basic biology, yet mysteries still remain about these charismatic animals. Its head may be similar to that of a horse, but each seahorse has its own appearance. Most have spots, blotches, or stripes, and some are adorned with fringes, spines, and crowns on the skin. Colors vary and can change with the contraction of a muscle to provide camouflage or to indicate an enemy or potential mate. Seahorses have bony plates covered in skin tissues instead of scales, eyes that work independently of each other, and prehensile tails, used to grasp seaweed on the ocean floor to avoid being carried away by the currents and, during mating, to hold onto the partner. The smallest of the species is no larger than a pea, the largest can reach over 30 centimeters from head to tail. Preferring calm and shallow waters, seahorses thrive in seagrass beds, mangroves, estuaries, and coral reefs in temperate and tropical waters worldwide. Relatively clumsy swimmers, these fish move by rapidly beating, up to 70 times per second, a dorsal fin on their back, and rely on small pectoral fins for stability and direction. As they tire easily, many are swept away by strong currents or perish in rough seas. Seahorses are ambush predators. They remain still, waiting for krill, copepods, fish larvae, and other small edibles to pass by them, then grab them at an impressive speed. Without teeth and without a stomach to store food, these animals use their long snouts as vacuum cleaners to continuously extract plankton. Seahorses are great dancers, circling around each other or a floating object, flashing colors, and intertwining tails during mating, which sometimes can last for days. Known to keep the same partners for life, the commitment of couples can actually be less enduring. If the two are separated for some time, or if the male's health deteriorates, the female may switch partners instead of sticking with her original choice. In a unique reversal of reproductive roles exclusive to seahorses and other species in the Syngnathidae family, which also includes pipefishes and sea dragons, it is the males who take on gestation. During mating, the female uses a tube called an ovipositor to deposit her eggs into the male's front-facing brood pouch. He then incubates, nourishes, and carries the offspring until birth, which typically occurs between 2 and 4 weeks later. With strong contractions, he births fully developed fry, whose quantity can range from tens to over 1,000 individuals, depending on the species. Newly born seahorses, unprotected in the currents, immediately become vulnerable to predators, and few survive the first few days. Pollution and coastal urbanization harm seahorses, but the main threat is rampant overfishing. Commercial fishing accidentally captures millions of seahorses each year. There is also targeted fishing for seahorses to supply the tourist demand for dried souvenirs and an unregulated traditional medicine market in Asia. Population data for many seahorse species are scarce, but scientists believe that the vast majority are threatened, with some populations experiencing rapid decline. It is uncertain how warming seas due to climate change will affect seahorses in the long term. Protecting seahorses requires safeguarding their shallow water habitats against pollution and destructive urbanization, enforcing commercial fishing laws aimed at eliminating the problem of accidental captures, and reducing demand for these animals as souvenirs and supposed medicinal supplements. Share to inspire others to discover the beauty of seahorses and the importance of marine conservation. Don't miss the next video.